Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of what is an instance template in Google Cloud Platform, why instance template used in Google Cloud Platform. Apart from this, I'll guide you also where can you use the instance template in Google Cloud Platform. Let's get started.
Guys, as you can see here, what is an instance template in Google Cloud Platform? In Google Cloud Platform, an instance template is a configuration file that defines the setting for virtual machine or managed instance group. It serves as a blueprint for creating multiple instances with the same configuration. You can use an instance template to create a VM instance with a specific set of configuration that you can reuse for multiple instances. Instance templates are useful for creating consistent and repeatable deployment in Google Cloud Platform. When you create an instance template, you specify settings such as machine type, image, metadata, startup script for virtual machine. You can easily create a new VM instance with the same configuration by using an instance template. Basically guys, the reusability. This is the advantage of instance template. Instance template allows you to define a standard configuration for your VM and then use that template to create a multiple instances with the same setting. Metadata and startup script specify for instance template can include the metadata that is passed to the VM when it starts. This can be used for various purposes such as providing configuration information to application running on the VM. You can also specify the startup script that will be executed when the VM start up. Guys, as you think now, why is an instance template required in Google Cloud Platform? Let's discuss some of the key points of instance template so that you can easily understand it. Instance template are crucial component of Google Cloud Platform for managing and deploying virtual machine VM instance efficiently and consistently. They offer several advantages that make them an essential tool for organization operating in the cloud environment. Standardization and consistency specify as instance template ensure that VM instances are configured consistently across an organization or project. The standardization eliminates the discrepancies in VM setup, leading to more uniform and manageable infrastructure. By defining a standard configuration, the instance templates ensure that all instances have the necessary resources, software setting to perform their intended tasks effectively. Guys, as you can see here, the repeatability and automation. Instance template enable the creation of identical VM instances with the minimal effort. This repeatability is particularly beneficial for deploying multiple instances of the same application or services. Instead of manual configuration each instances, you can simply use an instance template to create a multiple instances with the same configuration and saving time and reducing the risk of error. Efficiency and resource optimization. Guys, by creating instances from template, you can avoid the manual configuration for each VM, saving time and reducing the chance of human error. This can be especially important in environments with a large number of VM. Scalability and auto scaling. Guys, when used in conjunction with managed instance group MIG, instance template enable you to easily scale your application. You can define auto scaling policies that automatically adjust the number of instances in a group based on factors like CPU utilization and other metrics. Guys, as you know, the streamlined management and cost optimization. Instance template simplify the management of large number of VM instances. By defining a standard configuration, you can easily modify or update all instances based on the template rather than having to make individual changes to each instances. Resource allocation and cost control. You know, instance template help ensure that VM instances are allocated the appropriate resources for their intended workload. By specifying the machine types and boot disk configuration, you can prevent over provisioning or under provisioning of resources, leading to cost optimization and improved performance. Resilience and high availability. Instance templates are often used to conjunction with a load balance and MI to create a highly available and resilient application. If an instance fails, the managed instance group can automatically replace it with a new instance based on the template. As you can see here, where can you use the instance template in Google Cloud Platform? Instance template in GCP can be used in a variety of scenarios to streamline the creation and management of virtual machine instances. As you can see here, some of the specific example where instance template are commonly used, like creating individual VM instances. As you know guys, instance template are most straightforward way to create individual VMs instances with predefined configuration. You can create an instance template with all the desired settings including machine types, boot disk image, network, metadata, startup script and tags. Then you need to create a new VM instance and you can simplify the select the instance template, make unnecessary customization. Manage instance group MIG. Instance template are essentially for managing MIG, which are collection of identical VMs instances that are treated as a single group. When you create an MIG, you specify an instance template that defines the configuration of all instances in the group. This ensures that all instances in MIG have the same configuration, can be managed and collectively. As you know guys, the auto scaling and load balancing. Instance templates are used to define the configuration of VM in a managed instance group. Auto-scaling policy can be set up automatically, adjust the number of instances based on the factor like CPU utilization and other custom matrices. Instance templates are often used with the load balancer to distribute the incoming traffic across the multiple instances. The load balancer uses the instance template to create a new instance as needed and distribute traffic among them. Creating a VM reservation. Instance template can be used to create future reservation for VM instance. Highly availability and resilience. Guys, by using the instant template with a managed instance group, you can create highly available and resilient application. If an instance group in a group fail, the group can automatically replace it with a new instance based on the template. Batch processing and data analysis. Guys, instance template can be used for running a batch processing job, data analysis task. You can create a template with a desired configuration, then use it to create an instance for processing large dataset. Stateless application. Instance templates are well suited for stateless application where each instance can handle requests independently without relying on shared state. This is because each instance created from the template is identical in terms of configuration, testing and development environment. Guys, instance templates are useful in development and testing environment where you need to quickly provision multiple instances with the same configuration for testing purpose. Enforcing compliance and security policies. Guys, already the instance template can be used to enforce the consistency configuration and that adhere to your organization compliance and security policies. By embedding security, best practice, and compliance requirement into the template, you can ensure that newly created VM instance meet your standard. And guys, the simplifying infrastructure management. Instance templates simplify the management of large number of VM instances. By defining the standard configuration, you can easily modify or update all instances based on the template rather than having to make individual changes to each instance. Now guys, I hope so you can understand what is instance template in Google Cloud Platform, why instance template are used in GCP, and in where can you use the instance template in GCP. Thank you and have a great day.